Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we'll learn how to fix Wi-Fi problems in Windows 10's PC. Friends, in my PC Wi-Fi is running in good condition, you can see, but if you are facing the error when you are using the Wi-Fi, so first thing you have to do, go to Wi-Fi icon and click right button of your mouse and click on troubleshoot problems. And friends, if troubleshoot is not work for you, so click on Windows key and R on your keyboard. This will open run program. Now type here devmgmt.msc. Now click on OK. This will open device manager. Now scroll down and click on this arrow. In here you will see wireless network adapter. Click right button of your mouse and click on update driver. Now click on browse my computer for driver software and in here select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now check this box, show compatible hardware. Now select anyone which you want. I will select this one and click on next. Now you will see Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now just click on close. So friends, by this easy method I hope your Wi-Fi problem will be solved and now you can run your Wi-Fi very smoothly. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.